Here we come to the elevator at the Fairfield Inn by Marriott in Mobile, Alabama. This thing's got a wonderful epic motor. It's a Schindler MT. Can't see what year this was installed. Nope. Doesn't say the installation date. 3. That was quite an epic motor, that is. Oh my gosh, look at that interlock. Oh my gosh, that interlock cover is broken. You can literally see the inside of it. Number 1. These are your MT fixtures. There's your phone. Quick have you.
Question.
Yep, it's already pressed. You're welcome.
Now, can I take my the plug from the wash band and plug it into outlets and I plug
Yes.
my chargers
In the phone, yes,
and
yes.
then I'll do my wash hour so I can charge my watch.
All right, have a good day. You're welcome. All right, we gotta listen to the motor. Excuse the luggage rolling around, but still, that was quite a loud, obnoxious motor. Look. You can literally see into the elevator shaft. All right, there it goes, and that's it.